how you can unhide locked chats folder in WhatsApp, or what I mean is how you can unlock a chat in your WhatsApp. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us start. First things first, just open up your WhatsApp. Now, after you open your WhatsApp, you will see on the top the locked chat section. Now, if you tap on it, you will just open up the locked chats by just first going through the Face ID verification. And first, let us do that. Now, it's open right here. Now, if you want to just unhide the chat, what you can do is just tap on the chat that you want to unhide, tap on it again, and just scroll down till you find the lock chat option. Now all you need to do is just disable this option, and it will need your Face ID too. And after you do that, as you can see, it's not in the lock chats option. Now it's back on your normal chat section again. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you unhide the locked chat in your WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.